This is update 7 of the senior project. This is probably pretty close to being the what I'll end up presenting for the finished product, although it is not even close to finished. I am almost out of time, so this is what we got. Here is the main game. We've got play, training, and then just to quit the game. So if you press play, you'll now notice that there is two options here, host and join, and this is actually how you do multiplayer, and I'll show that in a second. But training, this is the main, this is the core thing that I've been working on for most of the time. This is just like playing against the bot single player. So he'll hit it, and then you can put spin on it, he can put spin on it, and also you got a forehand hit now, and he broke. So yeah, it's obviously not finished. I don't know, I thought I fixed him mostly. I don't know why that's happening. But let me just restart. Alright, we're back. Yeah, I don't know why that happened. It usually doesn't happen, but I mean, it's not finished. And if you don't put any spin on it, then that won't usually happen. But so that was training, just playing against the bot most of the time works. Multiplayer is now working, kind of. And I'll explain what I mean. You got host, so if you click on host, it brings up this screen. You can change a couple of these settings. So spin coefficient, what that means is it just makes the ball spin more or less. And usually you probably want less, because if you spin any more, then it's going to be like crazy. Probably same with the ball speed. And the player speed could be a little fun to mess around with, but it might be hard to hit, so I don't know. I just added these for fun. I don't really plan on using them. But if you just press start, then it'll start up. Your guy spawns in, and then it brings up a little code down here. And then so if I load up, if you give me 1 second. Okay, so this looks really weird on when I'm recording it, but it would be hard to record two different computers, so I'm doing it on my one computer. And this is the other client. So how this works is we've already got our host over here on the left side. Then once this right side gets loaded up, like that, then we press play, and then instead of host, I want to go to join, and then just put in the code that's on the host side, like that, and then there it goes. So now you have both players in the game. And now, obviously, the right side is a lot more jaggedy, doesn't look as good, and there's not too much I can do about that because I don't really know how it works very well. I don't really understand it, but it is there, and you can play. And right now I'm controlling both of them at the same time because I have my controller plugged in. But yeah, it can be a little weird. Okay, there we go. Yeah, sometimes it's really hard to actually hit the ball. But I don't know what to really what to do about that. I'm being honest. Let's see if I can keep the play going. Not really. Yeah, this part is just kind of. I did it to see if I could. I don't know if I'm actually gonna be using this part much. But yeah, you can see there, like, you can play a little bit. It's just kind of difficult to, you know, play as the client that joins the game because it's so laggy. And that's just on my own computer. Like, I imagine it's even worse if you try to play like over the internet on a on something that takes time to transfer data. I don't know, but it does work, and I'm happy with that. So, I mean, yeah, like I this is probably pretty close to what I'll submit for the senior project. I might work on it after, I might not, but yeah, I don't know. I think there's a couple things that I want to add. I don't know how much I'll get done, but either way, I'm happy with what I got because I haven't spent any money. I haven't had anyone else help me with this. It's just all my work, so yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. But yeah, that's update 7. Might tweak a few things, but I don't think I'll make another video. So yeah, that's it.